and onions. Put it on steam. Steam together. Steam. Steam. 30 minutes. Okay, and then close. After 30 minutes, let's see. Okay, now let's bring it out. This is for Milana's cafe. Tapos, lagay natin dito ang onion. Lagay natin ang onion dito. Yeah, the water is for Milana. Shh. Oh no, very hot. You will drink it later, okay?